Welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet Santa mug cozy. The pattern is down below. I did everything with the G hook, medium worsted yarn. If this is too fast for you, you can place your video in slow motion. There is a link on how to do that down below. Also, there is a beginner's playlist on how to do beginner stitches. So this is an easy on and off. You just make these little handles here and then you can place it right on. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm doing this for an 11-ounce mug, and so for the chain count you might need more or less if your mug is bigger than that. And to get started, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and I'm going to create a chain of 39 altogether. So yarn over and pull through and then work your chain count until you have 39 altogether. In the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, work your single crochet in each stitch. And then you'll have a total of 38 single crochet, and keep track of that number. You don't want to go over it or it won't look right. Work that until you get to the end. You're going to do a chain 1 and turn and single crochet in each single crochet across for a total of 38 single crochet. Work that until you get to the end, and you're going to do 6 rows of this. If you want it a little bit shorter, I would do 5 rows, because then you're going to do 2 rows of black. This will fit your mug from top to bottom completely, and if you want it shorter, you can do less rows. Each time you turn with a chain 1 so it's not lopsided, and then just continue on with your stitches until you get to the end for a total of 6 rows. Now you're going to do the black center stripe, and to do that I'm going to take my yarn of the black and just simply pull it through, and then these ends you will secure them with your yarn needle at the end. I'm going to do a chain 1 and pull these strands here and then just work a single crochet. You can also do a slip knot into it. That's another way. I find this way pretty easy as well, just as long as I secure these ends with my yarn needle. And then you're just going to do a single crochet across until you get to the very end with your black yarn. Now you're going to just do a chain 1 and turn, and then work a single crochet again in each single crochet until you get to the end. Now I'm going to pull my yarn through to change for red into the black. And I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and then pull your strands here, and then you're going to single crochet in each single crochet, and you're going to do this for 6 rows just like you did the previous 6 red rows. So do this for 6 rows. Now you can take all of your loose ends and take your yarn and your yarn needle and just weave in the ends to disguise them and to secure them about 3 to 4 times. Okay, and now I'm going to do a white trim, so I'm going to add the white yarn the same way I added the other colors, and just turn. You're going to do a chain 1 and a single crochet, single crochet all the way across, and then I'll show you how to single crochet the edging here. To get to the edge here, you're going to single crochet across. So go into a place where it looks like a stitch and work your single crochet. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go in where you feel like there's a stitch, because it is going to be a little bit more challenging on the side here. Okay, so once you have all of this edging single crocheted, then you're going to do this trim here and work your single crochet and then work it back up to here. So you did the side here, And then you're going to work along this side here until you get to the end. And then you're going to go back up on the side here the same exact way until you get to the beginning. Okay, and at the end here you're going to slip stitch, and then you can weave in all of your ends. Cut your yarn and pull through, take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Now we're going to do a handle, so slip knot onto your hook. And right on the edge here, slip stitch in, and you're going to create a handle to go around the mug handle. So create your chains. And take that and place it over here so it can go around the handle. I'll show you in just a moment. Okay, I did a chain of 17. And then I'm going to slip stitch on the end here. And then fasten off, cut your yarn. And you're going to need to weave in your ends. So this is your little handle here. So you place it around the handle of your mug. And you're going to do that for the other side here. You're going to slip stitch in, do your chain count, slip stitch, and then you'll have your other holder here for your handle. To create a buckle, create a chain count of 20. To connect it, you're just going to connect the ends here and slip stitch, and then you can fasten off and just pull through. You can weave in all of these ends. This was a chain count of 16, but I thought it looked better with a chain of 20. Find the center of your mug cozy, and then you can sew it on or you can hot glue gun it on. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet Santa mug cozy. The pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.